Hello YouTube, this is my second video here and we're going to start off by talking about M1 Finance. So I started with $100 investing. I've played around with it so I got a feel for the website and I've gained $3.86 now. So I reset my Pi so I can kind of walk you through the process so you guys can see how you do it, some of the features it has. So to begin with, you have up here your invest, which will just take you to this screen right here. Your spend, so you can get a credit card through them, which I haven't looked too much into it and I don't think I'm going to be going with it. You have your borrow, so you can borrow money from them, it's like a loan. Your research, so you can see what's going on with the market. You can, your transfers, this shows your money going in and out. So in invest, this is mainly where we're going to be. You can see your activity, what companies you actually have at the moment, and that'll make a little more sense once I start showing you how to create one. Your history, so if you've deposited, if you've taken out. So the main thing this website focuses on is a portfolio pie. So we're gonna go ahead and hit edit. Right here it shows all the companies you want to be involved in. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of Microsoft. You can go add, and this is kind of cool. You have options. You can search specific companies like Apple and add them in. You can, let's see. That was not the right button. So yeah, you can search specific companies or expert pies. People have already built a portfolio and you can add that. Holdings, dividend yield. We're going to do an ultra aggressive. Expert pies. Plan for retirement. You can do one pie that's just these, and these will show you what companies they have. You can click on it, read it a little bit more. And me personally, I like to go through, and there's a few companies, so like Disney, I believe, has a few movies coming out, so I'm going to go ahead and add Disney. Let's see, expert pies. This is my retirement, so you can choose what year you're going to be retiring. I'm going to be retiring 60 aggressive. Let's see, expert pies, build a diverse. So yeah, income earners, bank balance, domestic, global, long term. This one seems pretty good. We're gonna add both of those. And Amazon. So don't let that price scare you right there. M1 Finance allows you to buy partial shares. So you can get 0.001% of a share. I really do like M1 Finance for that. So let's see. We're going to go ahead. From here, you can decide how much of your money you want to go into each. So let's see, we have to get 100%. So let's start going up to 10 on all of them. It does take them. I wonder if you can. Oh, you can just type. Well, that's handy. We're going to go ahead add some more stocks. What companies? AMD. I wonder what they are. Cool. We're gonna go ahead and add them. I like AMD. Let's see here. And you have settings you can search. Valentine's Day is coming up, so we're gonna go ahead and do like K Jewelers. Oh, Jewel. Maybe not. We'll just do Walmart. Walmart seems like a good one to invest in. So these guys can be taken to 15, and these guys can go 15. Amazon will go 15. Cool. So I've taken my pie and I've added pre-made pies into it, and I've added my own individual stock. So then you go ahead and go save. So this is how my new portfolio will look like, and it shows you how much of each one. It'll show you how much money you have into them, or I guess your gain. So say it bought Amazon at $15 and then the next day it went up to 16, it would show you a dollar raise and the percentage right there. And it doesn't invest at the moment. It invests every day at 8 o'clock, I believe, 8 a.m. So it'll only do one at 8 a.m. It'll go through and buy, it'll take your money there and divide it up into each of these depending on what percentage you have. And then it'll do it at 8 a.m. If you decide to sell, the next day at 8 a.m. it'll sell. You can upgrade to a premium, which I haven't looked too much into, and then you get 2 trades a day. You get at 8 a.m. and 1 p.m. So this isn't day trading, it's meant for long term. You create it, you watch it, you add, and yeah, this is M1 Finance is a long term trader, and I really like it for that. It seems very useful, and we'll see how my stock does. As we go, I plan on furthering this. I need to do some research and find out. I just dumped random companies and stuff into here. So the longer we go, the hopefully bigger and wider this will get. We might remove some companies, we might add some. But once I get a comfortable pie, I'm going to share it so then all of you guys can use it as well. Cool. Thank you for watching.